Namaste and welcome to NiftyGyaan, your daily dose of stock market insights. Here at NiftyGyaan, we simplify the stock market with daily Nifty trading, analysis, view, and gives key support and resistance level. We also share technical chart insights, trading strategies, and market basics explained in simple language, plus quick shots to keep you updated in just 60 seconds. Our mission is to give you clear, simple market Gyaan to help you learn not to give buy and sell recommendations. So if you want to grow your market knowledge, hit subscribe and join NiftyGyaan family today.